If, like me, you spend hours at your desk, you know the toll it takes on your back, your posture, and your focus. Now, I've tested several ergonomic chairs, and the Musso X700 claims to solve many of these problems with advanced features, like the dynamic lumbar support and adjustable tension system. But does it actually deliver? Well, here is everything that you need to know. The Musso X700 is built with durability in mind. It uses a breathable woven mesh that offers both support and ventilation. The frame is alloy steel, paired with a Class 4 gas lift rated to hold up to 330 pounds. At 22 kg, the chair feels stable, but not difficult to move around. The base rolls smoothly, and same with all the moving components. From tilt mechanisms to armrests, they feel solid and premium. This isn't a cheaply constructed chair, it is clearly built to last. What actually sets the X7 apart is the range and precision in the ergonomic features. At the center of this is the Glide Track dynamic lumbar support. Unlike fixed lumbar supports, this one moves with you as you recline, giving that consistent support at your lower back throughout. This can make a noticeable difference during long sessions at the desk. Now, you also get that backtrack height adjustment, which allows you to position the entire backrest to fit your torso length more accurately. It's especially helpful for taller or shorter users, often struggling with the standard chair sizing. And also with that lumbar alignment and recline control, it allows you to fine-tune the position of the lumbar pad to align more to your spinal curve. And with the sync tilt lock, you can freeze the recline at any angle, which is a useful feature whether you are working upright or taking a break. The 4D armrests adjust in all directions: up, down, forward, back, in, out. They even rotate 360. This means that you can set them exactly where you need them, whether you're typing, writing, or even gaming. And also having that built-in slide-away footrest, being discreet when it's not in use and easy to pull out when you want to recline, and taking that pressure off of your lower body. It adds that level of relaxation that many ergonomic chairs overlook. In real-world use, the X700 holds up well. The mesh seat retains cool over long sessions, and that dynamic lumbar really does reduce strain over time, especially during those extended periods of deep focus or meetings. But what really stood out to me was the consistent posture support. You don't have to keep adjusting yourself. The chair really does adapt to your movements. Now, that really makes it stand out for professionals, students, and remote workers. And assembling the chair is super straightforward. All of the parts were labeled, and I will tell you this, their packaging is next level. Apparently, most people can put this together within 15 minutes. That's included with the instructions because they are clear, and they offer video guides as well if needed. As for the downside, it might be the price point. Ranging between that $400 to $500 may be a factor for some, but considering the build quality, ergonomic range, and comfort, it is competitive with other premium chairs on the market. The Musso X700 is a thoughtfully designed ergonomic chair with standout lumbar support, impressive adjustability, and comfort features that meet the demand of a modern work from home or office environment. Now, if you are looking for a long-term solution in back strain, posture issues, or simply something that's more adaptable in the workspace, the X700 is well worth considering. But if this review has helped you in any way decide whether this is the chair for you, there is a link down below in the description that you can go and check out. And if you'd like to support me and this channel, hitting the like, subscribe, and notification bell always goes a long way. But other than that, capture, create, captivate, and I'll see you all in the next video.